Good afternoon. Today I'm going to walk you through how to adjust the background to your Simplebooklet. First things first, you log into your account, head over to the Simplebooklet you want to work on from your dashboard, and then you can click this Configure Presentation button, which is represented as a painter's palette right in the middle of the bar here. And then from there, you're going to go to Presentation, which again is represented as a painter's palette. And then you will find your background tab and you click on the pencil, and that will bring up the myriad of options you have to adjust your background. The first option you can do is go with the solid color, a great and classic option. You can flick through, as you can see in the background here, just a little bar. You can see that color change. The second option you have is a repeat pattern. So this one is quite nice. It's subtle, but it has a little bit, it has some visual interest to it. And again, you can click through. I've used this birch tree one before. There's some great patterns here that just give a little something, a little bit more depth to the background without being overwhelming. And sometimes that's just what you need. So I encourage you to look through here as well. And then from there, you can go to images. Now, these ones really have a completely different feel depending on which image you choose. And, oh, I like this one with the eggs. That's cute. So you really do need to sort of scroll through if you feel like an image might be right for your document. There's ones that are sort of meant for, like, this would look good with a menu. This would be great if you had a gardening business. They can work excellent with your document, and it is really worth taking a look to see what there is. Now, the next one is a little bit different. You can basically choose what you want if you have something in mind that you're looking for, and you can use and import a photo from Unsplash. And basically what Unsplash is it says it's a royalty-free image, which means that it's open source. You can use it in the backdrop of your profile or of your document, and it's free for you to use. You don't have to give credit to anyone. And if you just know what you want, what you're looking for, let's see, if you're a dog walker, let's see okay, great. So if you have a specific company or there's something you have in mind, this is a great place to go. And then from there, you can also have the option of having an animated background. The animations are quite subtle. So, if you watch the icon slowly, you can see what's going on here. Some of them, this one's a little bit faster than the others, but they're good. The animations don't distract from the document. The focus is still on your document, but they have a nice subtle interest to them. This fall one, ooh, I like that one. So yeah, there's a few options here for you to choose if animated sounds like something you want to do. And then the last but not least is a custom background. So if you have any design experience, or let's say, your company is known for using has a certain painted wall, or whatever it might be, you can upload your own pattern or color or photo here, and that will be used. So for me, I'm actually going to choose, just for this one, I'm just going to choose an image. Yeah, let's do that. And then you just cross out of here, just cut out of here, and as you can see in the background here, the image, the wave image is there. Great. So that's all I have for you today. That's how you adjust the background and all the various options you have for your background in Simplebooklet.